How to get your iPhone into DFU mode and recovery mode. Whether you need to troubleshoot your device or restore it, this guide will help you out. Let's get started. Before we dive in, let's quickly understand what these modes are. Recovery mode is useful when your iPhone needs to be restored using iTunes or Finder, while DFU mode allows your iPhone to interface with iTunes without loading the OS, which can be handy for more advanced troubleshooting. First, we'll start with the recovery mode. To put your iPhone 16 into recovery mode, follow these steps. Connect your iPhone to your computer using a USB cable. Quickly press and release the volume up button. Quickly press and release the volume down button. Press and hold the sign button until you see the recovery mode screen, which shows a computer icon and a cable. Your iPhone is now in recovery mode. You can restore or update it using iTunes or Finder on your computer. To exit recovery mode, simply press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears and your iPhone will restart normally. Now let's put on to DFU mode. To put your iPhone 16 into DFU mode, follow the steps. Connect your iPhone to your computer using a USB cable. Quickly press and release the volume up button. Quickly press and release the volume down button. Press and hold the side button for about 10 seconds until the screen goes black. While continuing to hold the side button, press and hold the volume down button for 5 seconds. Release the side button but continue holding the volume down button for an additional 10 seconds. Your screen should remain black, indicating that you're in DFU mode. Your iPhone is now in DFU mode. You can restore it using iTunes or Finder on your computer for a deeper level of troubleshooting. To exit DFU mode, simply press and hold both the side and volume down button until the Apple logo appears and your iPhone will start normally. And that's it. Now you know how to get your iPhone into both recovery and DFU mode.